Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we got outlandish. Ahmed.
I like your accent. It's really sweet.
Yeah, everyone like it. Jayshon like it, and Hashdami like it, Jazdami like it. So, what are you doing here?
We just came from Denmark this morning and we're performing at that stage over there.
Oh, did you come from the farms? I heard these old farms, no building over there in Denmark, you know?
Yeah, it's an old farm. We live in like huts with cows and a lot of milk. We don't have water. We only have milk.
But sir, Lur Park, you know the makhan I eat? This is from their country. They make makhan. Desi kyun?
You got horses?
No, we don't have horses. We only have donkeys. A lot of donkeys and a hell lot of monkeys.
तो इधर से उधर जाना होता है तो कैसे जाते हो?
On a donkey.
On a donkey?
Yes.
But sir, खोते रेड़े ते जाते हैं यार, समझा करो.
समझा करो यार.
समझ गया यार, मुंडा बड़ा शार है यार. मैंने
म्यूजिक करना है, म्यूजिक निकल पूछो.
म्यूजिक करता है यार, केड़ा म्यूजिक करता है? What sort of music you do?
Well, you know, inspired by the whole thing in Denmark with the farms and the huts, we do, you know, how would you describe it? It's like, you know,
But sir, खेती बाड़ी अलग गाने गाने.
you know,
खेत गाने आंदे ने गुजरा नहीं वो नहीं गुजरा वेरे नहीं.
नसीबो लाल कर दे, नसीबो लाल.
Nasibulal is great. I would like to collaborate with her. She's a legend.
Can you do some lines from your stuff, whatever you do?
We do hip hop,
Yeah.
rap.
Hip hop.
Okay, we don't have subtitles for hip hop, but still no Hindi or Urdu subtitle, but still listen to hip hop now. Good to us some lines, man.
Yes, please.
You know, get some. This ain't average. Born and raised upland. It's like we came down from another planet. God damn it, these boys are standard. Like Ibrahim Ferrer, long overdue. A time to shine will come, then we shine for real. Still we rock all day, cause it makes us feel good. Like soul food, we so hood. Join us if you could. Now what could you lose? So the beat's so sick and carried out by this hook. मैं क्या किद्दां?
वो है पटी साहब पंजाबी चैंट कीता है ना.
Give me some water now. गर्म हो गया मुंडा.
Hello.
ओला नहीं नहीं.
मैं हमेशा दूध लेके आएगा अपनी डेयरी फार्म तो. So I mean your songs, I mean I've seen, you know, always have a message for youngsters or for, you know, peace everywhere. So I mean what inspired you to make music which is actually inspire rather than just listening or dancing with no reason?
Well, the two of you, because I mean, just look at you guys. You guys inspired us.
Inspired you.
साहब सानू easy ले रहे हैं.
Very.
No, you're very heavy. You're not that easy. You're skinny. आप लोग पंजाबी बोलते हो लेकिन पंजाबियों वाली बात आप लोगों में नहीं है.
पर साहब जुगता भी ला रहे हैं अभी मैंने बंदा ठीक नहीं लग रहा.
नहीं नहीं, पाकिस्तानी है अपना मुंडा, इस वास्ते you know he is giving some जुगते and stuff which की ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ अंग्रेजी ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
पता नहीं.
पता नहीं यार क्या इंस्पायरेशन कहाँ से आई, मतलब कहाँ से इंस्पायरेशन आई?
Inspiration कहाँ से आती है? Well, it comes from everyday life. You know, it comes in the beginning. It came from our parents, the music they used to listen to. You know, I grew up on Indian music, Pakistani music. You know, and that inspired us a lot. So.
But sir, as he said, Indian Pakistani. Ask him to sing one Hindi song. You know, I don't know. Maybe he sings or whatever, but something.
Yes, please.
And favorite Indian song or Pakistani song, all time.
कमीज तेरी काली
कमीज तेरी काली कदी लाली कदी पाली.
But I think it's getting lots of fun now. But any messages, you know, obviously it was Pakistan independence. Any messages to people watching?
Well, happy Independence Day for Pakistan, and you know, just keep positive. You know, the country is going through some hard times, but it's all about trying to keep a positive mind and looking towards the future with openness and. Not giving in to all the crap that's happening back there, you know, especially the youth. I have a lot of families there, a lot of cousins, you know, and it's hard, you know, middle class, it's really hard making it. So try to keep positive. That's all I can say. And
Thank you very much.
yeah.
That was very nice. But
very नहीं सीरियस नहीं हो गया. नहीं थोड़ा सीरियस भी
होना चाहिए. सही है.
बहुत अच्छा मैसेज दिया जी वकास. आउटलैंडिश गाने इनके कमाल, वीडियोस तो फैंटास्टिक वीडियोस.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू.
सामने खलोता असली तारीफ कर रहे हो कि सही कर रहे हो?
नहीं सीरियसली तारीफ कर रहे हैं कि आई पर्सनली बिलीव दैट ही डूइंग गुड.
Okay, but you have a fan there. I'm going to check your stuff out.
Personally fan of Outlandish.
Okay, guys. नाज़रीन जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं जप्पियाँ और पपियों का मुझे पता नहीं, हमने देखी नहीं वैसे. I'm gonna go and check some of the performances out.
दिल को बना दे जो पतंग सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं. आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं. हो